Hi again everyone, Justin Cooper White, Head of School of Chemical Engineering here at UQ. We're back in the Liveris Building and I want to show you today just what massive progress has actually occurred in this amazing building. From the start, we wanted to make sure that this building, from a design criteria perspective, emulated what we as chemical engineers are able to do and obviously affect in our society. We connect things, we bring systems thinking, complex problems become simpler problems in which we then break them down in order to create obviously new innovative solutions. This building is all about bringing all of those parts of the puzzle together and making sure that we maximize the interactions between the student cohort, the staff cohort, and obviously all of our stakeholders, both internal and external. We're on level 6 now of the Liveris Building, and we're in one of the office areas. These office areas are shared office spaces between our PhDs, our postdocs, and our academics. And they've been designed in that way to make sure that we maximize that interaction and that integration of all of the people in our school. In doing this, everything's transparent, everything's available, and what we can hope for here certainly is that this is going to maximize collaborative opportunity for us in the School of Chemical Engineering. This whole building is accessible to everyone, and that's what we want. We want a building in which chemical engineering, the processes, the practices, the innovations are all going to happen in this one amazing space. And we want this place to be a place where everyone comes to be home in the School of Chemical Engineering at UQ.